and welcome to the lesson Internet of Things and Automation. In this lesson, we'll try to give you an example of solving technical problems using Internet of Things and automating them. The lesson is divided into 5 small units. In the first part, we will define what IoT and edge computing is. Then we will go through some of the IoT applications, look at the bigger example of smart home as an IoT application, go through some simple data analysis using data from IoT devices, and look at some challenges of IoT. The Internet of Things, or IoT for short, describes devices with sensors, processing ability, and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices over the internet or any other kind of network. The features of IoT can be divided into 5 groups. So all the devices must have some kind of connectivity, data analysis. The whole system must be able to analyze the data that it is collecting, sensing. So we must have some data, otherwise we cannot analyze the data. We include also artificial intelligence because we would like the devices to act intelligently, and endpoint management. That means that we must be able to manage the devices. Edge computing, on the other hand, is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the sources of data. Internet of Things is just an example of edge computing. This is just a small list of possible IoT applications, ranging from smart cities, smart homes, to just smart outlets and smart supplies in our homes. Smart home refers to a residence equipped with network-connected devices that allow remote monitoring and control of various appliances and systems like lighting, heating, or ventilation. How does it work? The central component of the smart home system is the smart home hub, and all the IoT devices are connected to the smart home hub that acts as a focal point. As for the IoT pros, the biggest pros are convenience, convenience, convenience. For the IoT cons, the biggest problem is connectivity, and with such complicated devices, quite a lot of complicated problems can emerge. Simple IoT data analysis. So how does it work? First, we must gather the data from various sources. In our example, these are the IoT devices. Then we process the gathered information, eliminating all problematic data and also eliminating some kind of dealing with missing data. Save, processed, normalized, and cleaned data. Perform the analysis using multiple analytical methods, and then use the gathered knowledge to kind of enhance the system, enhance the whole setting. Challenges of IoT. IoT security is the domain concerned with protecting interconnected devices and networks in the ecosystem. As these networks become deeply integrated into our daily lives, concerns regarding privacy preservation emerge. IoT devices are often used for tasks critical enough that errors could jeopardize our lives. Numerous IoT devices operate on specialized protocols or proprietary services, making it challenging for them to communicate with other devices. Quite a lot of problems can be tackled using IoT settings. The IoT devices make our daily lives simpler, but the complex settings do not come without problems.